Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can put your website under construction. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to put under construction. For example, I'm going to go to this one. Click on select and edit site, and then wait for your dashboard to load. Once you're here, go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these sections. Go to the bottom right here, and then you're going to find edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once here, just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the editor for Wix. Just wait for it to prepare, and then this is how it will look like. So once you're here, in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize your site. So right now, in order to put your site under construction, go first of all to Pages and Menu. Then go to Site Menu, and then click on Add Page. Once you do that, go to Landing Page, and then go ahead and choose the page that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on Add Page. And then we're going to skip this step right here, maybe later. So this is basically, we need a premium plan in order to be able to add this one. So for example, I'm adding this one instead. So right now you can name it maintenance. And then go ahead and click on done. Then you can place it here in the top above the home section, and then you can customize it. For example, we're going to remove this, and instead of this site, for example, I'm going to name it site under construction. And then once you finish, just click on publish to go live. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.